As today we'll talk about how can you turn off restaurant week notifications on your OpenTable app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, just click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on communications. So then you come to this list, you go down. So then you click here on email notifications and you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come to restaurant week and you click in this sound as color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean restaurant week turn off with us now or disable. You go above this sign, click on it, you go back and you click in save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.